Ever wished you could bring your awesome animations from Adobe Animate into Photoshop for even more creative possibilities? Today, we're diving into how to seamlessly import your Animate creations into Photoshop, merging the strengths of both applications. First, head over to Adobe Animate and open the Animate file you want to use in Photoshop. This could be a whole animation or just individual elements. Next, go to File. Click on Export and then select Export Movie. In the window that appears, you will need to specify the output format. In the Export Movie settings, select Photoshop PSD as your file type. This will preserve layers, vectors, and animation data. Then, choose an appropriate location and name for your file and then click Save. Now switch over to Photoshop. Start by creating a new document or open an existing one where you want to place your Animate file. Go to File. Then click on Open. Navigate to the location where you saved your PSD file from Animate and click Open. Photoshop will automatically open your Animate file, retaining all those important features like layers, vector graphics, and even the animation. Depending on your file, your animation layers will appear in the Layers panel. If it's an animation, you'll potentially see a timeline. From here, the possibilities are endless. You can now edit and combine your imported animation using Photoshop's powerful tools, such as adding filters, painting on your animation frames, doing color correction, and much more. You can even further integrate your Animate file by adding special effects, text, or other effects. With this simple process, you've unlocked a whole new level of creative control by uniting the dynamic abilities of Adobe Animate with the robust editing tools of Adobe Photoshop. Now go create.